Yeah, let's rock and roll, whānau. Back out here again, Dargville. Potu. Lilo, whānau, Lilo. A.K.A. OG Tongan.
If you can hear this, where the fuck are you?
Where the fuck are you, much love? Hey man, say man, it's the famous Jerry Marks. And we're back with another video. Oh, whānau, you didn't hear me? I said we're back with another video. Don't forget to smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. As per usual, whānau, down in the description if you fellas want to send any gifts, any letters. The address will be down in the description for the post shop. We're just getting ready for work. Hawani should be here normally at 6:30 is our time, so I always get up at 5:45 a.m. now, just so it gives me enough time to get ready. Hold up, let's go check this girl and just barking now. Princess, say morning to the vlog, Princess. So she's real happy, as per usual. And Princess. But yeah, whānau, we're just getting ready for work. This is day 4 of the week. This is vlog 104, going back to Mahi part 85. Let's go, whānau. But no, pretty excited. So this is my lunch today. Boiled eggs. And another whole big packet of lollies. Shout out to my mum. My mother-in-law for shouting me this cup. I'm going to make me a bit of a Milo this morning. See what happens. I might even take the iPad today so we can watch a bit of movies. She's crying now. She knows that the vlog's on. That's enough, Princess. Good girl. But yeah, whānau, I'm pretty excited for today. Probably get out there and smash it. Pretty cruisy with the roadside pruning. Notice a lot of people still showing a lot of love to Lilo. Those videos should blow up today. It was pretty good. I managed to get everything posted up pretty early last night. So yeah, no, I'm pretty excited for today. Probably get out there, smash it. I think Uncle Rob's having a day off today, so shout out to much love. To my old boy if he sees this, since he's on the mission. Where the fuck are you? But yeah, can't wait to go back out to Dargville today there, whānau. So yeah, Dargville, and then we'll be working out Potu ways. So yeah, no, pretty excited. Another standard day as usual, try and get some more features. Shout out to our brother Forestry FCS. He's fucking thriving. Already seen a post from him this morning. So yeah, we'll probably get out there, smash another good day, and then tomorrow's Friday, whānau. I can't wait for my fucking weekend. Holy shit. It's been not just a hard weekend, just a long weekend, long week, I meant to say, because of the drives. Driving from kaikohe all the way out to Potu can be a bit of a drive. It's about 2 hours, so half the time I'm sleeping in the morning. But see what happens. I might take my iPad for some movies today and jam the game. But no, yeah, pretty excited. But I'll see you fellas in a bit anyways, whānau. Let's go. Yeah, boy, check that out, whānau. Woohoo, Milo. In the morning, and with a big cup like that. I'm already falling in love with this cup. Just pop my lid on. Get that on. Comes with a straw too. I've seen these cups before. Baby girl had one before. Oh, she's got one too, I think. Oh yeah, okay, see. Here's her one up here. I'll just grab it so you guys can see it. Yeah. Here's baby girl's one. Let's see. I've got one now. Woohoo, Roger. Okay, make sure nothing's open on it. But yeah, get into the smiling. Need it, especially in the morning like this. Fuck, it's fucking cold, whānau. It's getting colder and colder. Where's Princess? Here's Princess. Say hi to the vlog, Princess. Watch this, whānau. Sit. Good girl. See? Good girl. Yeah, let's rock and roll, whānau. Back out here again, Dargville. Potu. Pruning. I went orange gang today instead of green gang. So yeah, pruning. Uncle Rob's not in today. Much love, so where the fuck are you? So yeah, this is where we are, whānau. This is where we are. Back to roadside pruning. Let's go. To the bro who commented on our thing, we got the other side. We seen your fellas work the other day. Back there, on the left. So yeah, let's go. Okay, first tree there, whānau, first tree. Fucking pamper serious, so you'll kick the cunt fucking down. Right around the tree. J1 there, whānau, J1. Probably take that world too there, whānau. Might as well. Oh, it got a bend, eh? Oh. There, it's got a bit of a bend. Might not even get a 6 metre clear log, eh? Because of that DOS. I can ask someone, Hawane, you reckon down because it's got a bend? You reckon down it's got a bend right in the middle of it, of the DOS? It's on the other side. It might turn into a knot, eh? You reckon still get we'll still get a clear log out of that, eh? Or will it turn into a knot later on, maybe? Nah, it's got to be balloon. Yeah. Yeah.
Butt sweep's got to be less than a meter.
Yeah.
I've been blessed to feel that lightning in my chest. Some folks hate, some folks doubt. I keep on walking from here on out.
Taki whānau, aka my Hawaiian, my lovely man.
If you don't like me,
Lilo whānau, Lilo, aka OG Tongan.
if you're with me, once you stay in the fight, I've learned how to tell the truth real fast. Who's down to stand, who ain't built to last when the hell breaks loose? That's when you know who's solid steel and who's quick to go. Stay strong with me, that's loyalty. Love breaks that heart, and you're dead to me.
Our salmon tank, whānau, our salmon tank. You got salmon tank and the famous Jerry Mooks, the Māori tank, and then our Tongan tank. Lilo. Morning to the vlog, my wind it up.
Morning, my friends.
Oh gee. Let's go, whānau. Beautiful day for pruning.
Where the fuck are you?
Where the fuck are you, much love? There it is, whānau, Rawiri Winder, aka Wind It Up.
Another tree.
Okay. Here's whānau. Taki. aka my Hawaiian, my lovely man.
They say work hard and you'll get ahead, but I'm just breaking my back instead. Clocking in just to pay that rent. Ain't much left when the day is spent.
Let's go, whānau. Let's go.
Over 3 years, get a new one. Yeah.
I can see it's still coming. Lilo's still pumping. No rest for Lilo. No rest at all. Number one. Probably gonna have a lunch there, whānau, have a bit of a feed. I just finished number 25. So yeah, have a bit of a feed. Might as well, while the vehicle's here, have a bit of a feed. It's just after 12 o'clock now. So yeah, but have a bit of a feed and then carry on. They've already been low pruned, so we just gotta throw our ladders on and then we'll be good, whānau. Right, gee. Okay, lunchtime now, whānau. This is my lunch, nice cruisy lunch. And our big bag of longies. Can't forget about the big bag of longies. Let's go. Just gonna have a bit of a feed there, whānau. Don't mind the heat, don't. Hang on. But Uncle Rob, if you see this, where the fuck are you? Okay, whānau, last push for the day. Number 26. Let's go. Here's our jam. Look at that jam, whānau. Look at it. Look at it. Here comes the QC. That's here. I'll throw on the headband. Throw on the headband and then we'll start recording. Let's go. Okay, let's go, whānau. Let's go. Double checking my bottoms, making sure they're good. Making sure they got no fucking rat tails, boot laces, whatever you want to call them. Oh shit, almost fell over. Okay, number 26. Just finished our lunch. It's after 2 o'clock. Let's go. Fuck, they sound close as though. They don't even sound far. There's a bit of a tall tree, so I might take one more just to be safe. I ain't coming back to take a whirl because I should have took it the last time, you know, whānau. So when in doubt, take it out. Yeah, that's good height. Any more, that'll be rape. When you actually look at it, I look quite on, when I've got a headband and a chest plate on, Yep, set. Take that, that'll be rape. I only leave only a 2 meter crown. Fuck, I actually love to have that job too, to just be a cameraman and record. That'd be cool. If you see this, my forestry FCS, I love you, my forestry FCS.
Good name.
Yeah, we'll take one more because it's a nice tall tree. Reggie, double check for ippies. Yep. This is why you double check finally to be safe. Yep. Anything else? We're good. Next tree. Number 28, 2 more for 30 whānau, slowly but surely. Okay, we'll probably just form prune this one there, whanau. We take that, that'll be rape. So a couple branches out, just so it opens it up, so if we come back here next time, there'll be fuck all the prune. Okay, lovely, good height. Look at that, whanau. Ah, can have a sleep in here. Look at it. Flat out. Look at it. Woohoo! Look at that, whanau. Only in forestry, baby. Can fucking build a sand pit in here. A whole kingdom. Look at it. Money for jam and only doing roadside pruning. Thank you. I like it. Look at that, whanau. Lilo! Raji! Okay, whanau, just got back home. We had a bit of a problem. Ended up getting a flat tire, but it's all done and dusted. Shout out to my also, our salmon tank, shouted Subway. And then I gave it to baby girl, it was a 6-incher. And then she ended up making roast for dinner tonight, potatoes and onions. So I forgot to do my outro, so I will do it now. Here's my one. So yeah, it's a yummy dinner tonight. I'm fucking starving too all my days. But yeah, that's vlog 104 going back to Mahi part 85. Catch us on the next vlog, that will be next week. Hawani told me that we got a day off tomorrow, so I gotta let the boys know. So yeah, catch us on the next vlog next week, whanau. That'll be vlog 105, going back to Mahi part 86 next week. Ja.